Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to cook my favorite mushrooms rice. Hope you like it. This mixed mushroom stewed rice recipe is simple to make and can be completed quickly. Just simply stir fry it and meal will be ready in no time. This stewed rice contains mixed mushrooms and vegetables. Friends who like meat can also add minced meat to cook it together. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: mushrooms, onion, vegetables, rice, ginger. Wash rice and set aside. Chopped ginger. Chopped onion. Vegetables remove stem, wash and set aside. Cut off the root of the honksy mushroom, break into small pieces and set aside. Stir-fry chopped ginger until fragrant. Add onion and stir-fry. Add mushrooms. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon chicken powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Add rice. Add water to cook rice. Select rice button and let's cook rice. Once rice is cooked, add vegetable simmer for a minute to cook vegetables. Once vegetables is cooked, drizzle sesame oil to enhance the fragrance. Mix well. Rice looks good and smells so good too. Serve while it's hot. Let's eat now. Isn't it very simple to make? Remember to try it, it's really delicious. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel, do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.